If HMRC comes knocking for compliance check, are you prepared? So they're ramping up the compliance officers and compliance checks this recent year. Now, some of the usual triggers that may trigger a compliance check would be high VAT reclaims or high tax reclaims, unusual or suspected expenses in the accounts, late payments, late tax returns. Anything unusual activity may trigger a compliance check. Now, this can be across various taxes, corporate tax, VAT, self-assessment, and can go back a number of years. I had one the other day where they were checking the self-employed income support scheme grant that was given during COVID. So everything is going to be looked and triple checked by HMRC, and any unusual activity is going to trigger a compliance check. Now, what can you do to make sure you're prepared if you do come knocking? Number one, make sure your financial records are in check. Go back, have a look. Even if there has been a little mistake, mistakes can happen. Just try and rectify that and get that in. So if they ever did come knocking, you're clean, everything's fine. You're also looking at working with an accountant who will check your work to give you a second opinion. Sometimes doing it DIY can be sufficient if you're small, but the bigger you get, the more risk and tax bills are. It's ideal to get an accountant. And finally, make the most out of receipt capture software. A lot of the compliance checks are focusing on expenses that may have been claimed that you maybe shouldn't have or you don't have evidence for. Receipt capture software, a tech stack, a good tech stack can enable you to have all the evidence, pretty simple. You've got receipts, invoices, bills, you've got the information should they ever come knocking. So doing them 3 things should mean that if they do come knocking, you're prepared and you'll be safe and you'll be sound.